How do you set the stage for scenario training? VizMove is a fully integrated projection VR system deployed at the push of a button. Bring contextual training to the safety of your VizMove learning space. Since accidents happen with hazards and distractions, standardize scenarios and train with those same pressures. The environment contributes complexity and difficulty to administering care. Recreate those factors in your training space. Train clinicians and responders to assess the environment and make adjustments to improve their ability to address the patient. Convert a classroom into a content-rich learning environment. Standardize the environment as part of the curriculum. Train individuals or groups in an interactive space. Scaffold content based on learner needs and training objectives. Save on time and cost to implement and maintain training rooms. All VizMove systems are modular and extensible.